I'm Trevor and I'm here to talk to you about Dime Evo. In this video, you'll learn how to use your new earbuds, from unboxing to the most advanced features. For specific features, you can skip ahead using these time codes. Here's what you'll find inside the package: the Dime Evo True Wireless Earbuds, a charging case, additional ear gels size small, medium, and large, a USB-C charging cable, and a user guide. You done with that packaging? Do not throw it away. Skullcandy packaging is 100% recyclable. Just find a recycle bin and toss it in. To power Dime Evo on for the first time, remove the stickers covering the charging points on both earbuds. Place the earbuds in the charging case. When both LEDs show white or amber to indicate charging, remove them from the case. Your earbuds will automatically turn on when you remove them from the case. They'll automatically turn off when you put them back in the case. To power your buds off outside of the case, press the Skull logo button 2 times, then hold for 1 second. To turn them back on, press each earbud for 1 second. To enter pairing mode, make sure you've removed the stickers from the charging points and return the earbuds to the charging case. Now, remove both earbuds from the case. A tone will indicate that your earbuds have powered on, and a voice prompt will then say ready to pair.
Ready to pair.
The LEDs will pulse white. Both are now in pairing mode. On Android devices, pairing is now even easier with Google Fast Pair. Your Android device will automatically pull up a pairing screen. Just click connect and you're paired. It's that easy. For all other devices, simply open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Find and select Dime Evo in your list of available devices. Then hit confirm pair. Multi-point pairing makes multitasking easy by allowing your earbuds to pair to 2 devices at once. For example, while watching YouTube videos on your laptop, you can take a call on your phone without the hassle of disconnecting from one device to pair with another. When your earbuds are powered on, you can pair a second device by holding the button on either earbud for 3 seconds. A voice prompt will then say ready to pair.
Ready to pair.
The LEDs will pulse white, and you can select the second device to be paired from its Bluetooth list. A voice prompt will then say connected.
Connected.
Once paired to the second device, you will now be able to seamlessly stream from either device as needed. If desired, you can also disable multi-point pairing in the Skullcandy app. Dime Evo holds up to 8 hours of play on a single charge, an additional 28 hours in the case for 36 total hours of playtime. To charge your earbuds, place them in the charging case. The LEDs will pulse in different colors to indicate current charge level. Amber means 0 to 40%. White means 41 to 90%. And when they're 91 to 100% charged, the LEDs will show solid white. When you put your earbuds in your ears, the battery report will tell you how much battery life you have as a percentage. You can also check your earbud battery life in the Skullcandy app or from your paired device. A voice prompt will say battery low when your battery has about 60 minutes of playtime remaining, or about 20% of charge left. And again with about 30 minutes or 10% of playtime left.
Battery low.
The Dime Evo case can be independently charged whether the earbuds are in it or not. With our rapid charge feature, a 10-minute charge of the charging case will provide more than 2 hours of battery playtime. Dime Evo is designed to fit comfortably and securely in your ear. To get the best fit, place the bud in your ear at an angle, then rotate slightly to the front or back to secure in place. Your earbud should feel comfortable and stable, and the ear gel should create a nice seal just inside your ear. Dime Evo comes with 3 sizes of ear gels. Try each size to see which fit works best for you. The case for Dime Evo is designed to be clipped to just about anything, so it's always secure and ready to rip. Dime Evo comes with simple and intuitive button controls. To play or pause your audio or answer a call, press either bud once. To track forward, press either bud twice. To turn adjustable stay aware modes on or off, press either bud 3 times. To reject an incoming call or end an active call, hold either bud for 1 second. Who do you ask for help these days? Siri? Bixby? Google Assistant? Unlike proprietary earbuds, Skullcandy earbuds work with any assistant. Simply press either earbud for 1 second to activate your device's local assistant anytime. To unlock your earbuds Skullcandy features, scan the QR code on the package insert or the user guide to download the Skullcandy app. Once you've paired your earbuds to your device, open the Skullcandy app. It will automatically link. There are many additional features in the Skullcandy app. You can use the app to Customize and turn on or off the adjustable stay aware modes. Create your own custom button settings. Select preset EQ modes or create your own custom 5-band EQ mode. Turn on low latency mode to improve performance for gaming or streaming your favorite videos. Turn your buds into a camera remote with the Take Photo feature. And access user guides and troubleshooting help. Adjustable stay aware mode makes it easier to hear what's going on around you so you can enjoy your audio and stay in touch with your surroundings. A slider in the Skullcandy app allows you to set stay aware mode to your preferred level. Turn stay aware mode down to focus on what you're listening to, or turn it up to amplify the sounds around you. To toggle your adjustable stay aware mode, press either earbud button 3 times and you will hear the corresponding voice prompt.
Stay aware, on.
To help you get the best sound quality from your content, your earbuds also feature 4 EQ modes: music mode, bass boost mode, podcast mode, and custom EQ mode. Your default EQ setting is music mode, which is great for general listening. Bass boost mode increases the low frequencies for a bass-heavy audio experience. Podcast mode removes most of the bass response. It's great for podcasts or audiobooks. To switch between EQ modes, go into the Skullcandy app and select your preferred audio setting. A voice prompt will notify you each time you change your EQ mode in the app. Some default and other unassigned button settings can be reconfigured through the Skullcandy app to allow you to make your earbud controls more intuitive to you. The custom button functions that you can configure to your preferred control settings are single press, double press, triple press, and hold for 1 second. The function controls that can be customized in the Skullcandy app are play, pause, and answer call, track forward, track back, volume up, volume down, activate assistant, take photo, adjustable stay aware mode on or off. Take photo allows you to use your earbud to take a photo with your device's camera. Just set up one of the custom button settings to the Take Photo feature in the Skullcandy app, and then open the camera on your device. Remember, you can remove your earbud from your ear while using this feature. Pro tip, set your camera timer to give you a few seconds to strike the perfect pose. Dime Evo is equipped with Clear Voice Smart Mic, an advanced microphone that uses artificial intelligence to isolate the speaker's voice and reduce background noise so your voice is loud and clear to those on the other end of your call. Clear Voice Smart Mic is especially effective at eliminating discontinuous noise, the kind of background chatter you'd find at a crowded coffee shop or an airport. You can use either earbud by itself to stay tuned into the world around you. We call this solo mode. To use solo mode, simply remove either earbud from the charging case. Your selected earbud will pair and function normally. To use both earbuds again, remove the other bud from the case, and once powered on, audio will begin to stream automatically in stereo mode. Please note that stay aware modes will only function when both earbuds are synced together in stereo mode. If you're having trouble getting audio to play from both earbuds, you can quickly resync them. Ensure your earbuds are powered on and your Bluetooth is disconnected to all devices, including multi-point paired devices. Press both earbuds 4 times and your buds will begin to pulse yellow while they resync. Once completed, your buds will flash white 5 times and you're ready to reconnect your Bluetooth. If you're having pairing difficulties, you can reset Dime Evo by clearing the paired device list and restoring your buds to their default settings. Please note this will also impact your saved settings in the Skullcandy app. First, remove your earbuds from your device's Bluetooth paired list and turn Bluetooth off. Remove both earbuds from the case. A voice prompt will indicate that your earbuds are powered on. Press the button on both earbuds for 6 seconds. A tone will indicate a successful reset, and both earbuds will quickly flash 6 times amber and white. A voice prompt will say ready to pair, and both earbuds will pulse white.
Ready to pair.
Now turn on your device's Bluetooth and select Dime Evo. Accept the pair or OK prompts that appear on your screen. When pairing is complete, a voice prompt will say connected.
Connected.
If you're having a problem with your Dime Evo earbuds, please visit the product support page on our website before filing a warranty claim. We can probably resolve your problem with a simple contact. Thank you for choosing Skullcandy True Wireless. This is the Dime Evo.